Ready? Start. The President gave his assent on September 27 to the three contentious agriculture bills that were earlier passed by the Parliament. The opposition, as well as long-time BJP ally Shiromani Akali Dal, have termed these reforms as anti-farmer. There is currently widespread farmer protests happening against the three reforms: Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act, Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, and the Essential Commodities Amendment Act. Farmers have laid siege to Delhi even as Modi government scrambles to find an amicable solution. The fifth round of meeting between protesting farmer groups and the central government once again failed to reach any conclusion. After talks with Home Minister Amit Shah failed, the government laid out a plan to amend the agriculture laws. But farmer union leaders rejected the offer, saying they would settle for nothing less than total scrapping of the legislations. They have also threatened to escalate protests by closing the Delhi Jaipur highway, boycotting Reliance malls, and capturing toll plazas, leading to a full-blown countrywide protest by December 14. The Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services and the Essential Commodities Amendment Act were passed by the House and received the President's assent, turning them into laws. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has assured that the minimum support price mechanism will stay and adequate protection of land ownership was in place to protect farmer interests. The government has said these reforms will accelerate growth in the sector through private sector investment in building infrastructure and supply chains for farm produce in national and global markets. They are intended to help small farmers who do not have means to either bargain for their produce to get a better price or invest in technology to improve the productivity of farms. The bill and agri market seeks to allow farmers to sell their produce outside APMC mandis too. However, they want farmers will get better prices through competition and cost cutting on transportation. However, this bill could mean states will lose commissions and mandi fees. The legislation on contract farming will allow farmers to enter into a contract with agri-business firms or large retailers on pre-agreed prices of their produce. The Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020 seeks to remove commodities like cereals, pulses, oilseeds, edible oils, onion and potatoes from the list of essential commodities. This will end the imposition of stock holding limits except under extraordinary circumstances. Farmers from Punjab, Haryana and some other parts are protesting against these reforms. Currently, there is a major protest going on at Delhi's borders. Badal too tendered her resignation after the bills were passed. Opposition parties including TMC, Congress, DMK and BSP opposed the agriculture sector reform bills, saying they were against the interests of small and marginal farmers. Congress upped its ante against the Modi government, terming the move a conspiracy to defeat the Green Revolution.